like eat it.
No, we don't want Hucky to eat that. We want Sammy to eat that.
Take away.
If you leave it there, Hucky will take it away. Look, he's just waiting for you to leave it there. Do you want some more Baba? Yeah. No, Samuel Zimmerman. You're sweet to want to share it, but I want you to finish your waffle.
Hanukkah, eat waffle. Hanukkah.
You know better, Hucky. He knows better, Sammy. That waffle's for you. Are you all done?
Tummy ramen.
You're all done with your waffle?
Tummy ramen.
It's Sammy's nummies. Okay, I'm taking that as you're all done.
This is it.
That's Sammy's Lammy.
I love tummy ramen.
You love Sammy Lammy. Can you say thank you, Tia Pam and Uncle Eddie? And Sophie and Ani? Can you say thank you?
Take you.
Because I love Sammy Lammy.
Tummy ramen.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.